3, 2, 1.
In the novel Twilight, Carlyle found Edward whilst working in a hospital in Chicago. What was Edward dying of? The answer is A. Spanish influenza. Which hormone helps control blood sugar levels in the body? The answer is B. Insulin. What kind of cell is a cell with 2 chromosomes? The answer is C. Diploid cell. What is a measurement of the force amplification of a machine? The answer is A. Mechanical advantage. Which psychological term means a feeling of intense happiness and satisfaction? The answer is B. Euphoria. Who was the first U.S. president? The answer is A. Washington. What is Buckminster Fuller's most famous design? The answer is A. Geodesic dome. What is the meaning of the name Barbara according to traditional beliefs? The answer is A. Strange. Latitude plays an important role in determining what in a region. The answer is C. Climate. Which of the following has a population of 0? The answer is A. Merriam's elk. Which is the main material of a golf club? The answer is C. Plastic. Who first developed the quantity theory of money? The answer is C. Milton Friedman. What kind of energy used heat from magma within the Earth to heat homes or produce steam that turns turbines? The answer is C. Geothermal energy. Which structure is known for its dome-within-a-dome design? The answer is C. Roman Pantheon. Which part of a fish helps them breathe? The answer is B. Gills. Which famous alcoholic film actor is best known for his romantic swashbuckler roles such as his role in The Adventures of Robin Hood? The answer is D. Errol Flynn. What is the primary goal of monetary policy in a country? The answer is C. Stabilizing prices. How does Seinfeld character George save a whale's life? The answer is D. He removes a golf ball from its blowhole. Once a plant cell becomes specialized, what can they no longer do? The answer is B. Divide. Which fruit is often used in making vinegar? The answer is C. Apple. What is strong enough to crack the hardest stone yet weak enough to kill the strongest man? The answer is D. Lawyer's argument. Which metric unit should be used to describe the mass of an object? The answer is C. Grams. Which of these popular proverbs means the opposite of silence is golden? The answer is D. The squeaky wheel gets the grease. Who was the first woman to earn a doctorate in psychology? The answer is C. Florence Goodyear. Which disorder is characterized by persistent and recurring thoughts, known as ruminations? The answer is B. Dissociative identity disorder. What is the weapon of choice for the Norse god Thor? The answer is C. Axe. Which element makes up DNA's sugar component? The answer is C. Nitrogen. What is the famous art installation made of 2,000 mirrored spheres? The answer is A. Stonehenge. Which Roman emperor was known as the Philosopher King? The answer is D. Marcus Aurelius. A 72W navigation unit on a commercial aircraft has a 24V power supply and uses 3A of electric current. What is the electrical resistance of the navigation unit? The answer is B. 8 ohms. This singer, famous for composing Arthur's theme Best That You Can Do, had a #1 hit in 1980 with the massive single Sailing.
The answer is C. Christopher Cross.
What type of graph is useful for showing percents of a whole? The answer is B. Circle graphs. Which language uses a written script called hiragana and katakana? The answer is A. English. The colander's close relative used to drain liquid from solid food is called? The answer is A. Sieve. Which animal is known for climbing trees headfirst? The answer is D. Monkey. Which animal has horns and hooves? The answer is C. Lion. I'm a famous author, but my name doesn't appear on any of my books. Who am I? The answer is D. Anonymous. The band disappears before metaphase, but predicts the future plane of what? The answer is B. Cell division. Who is known as the father of Western philosophy? The answer is C. Plato. What is the belief in a moral law governing universe called? The answer is B. Deism. A large, solid spherical body in the solar system is classified as a moon. Which characteristic of the body gives it this classification? The answer is C. It orbits a nearby planet. In which state does matter need to be for nuclear fusion? The answer is D. Plasma state. What is a controlled scientific test that often takes place in a lab? The answer is B. An experiment. The Gobi Desert meets which mountain range? The answer is A. Himalayas. In what action movie does Sylvester Stallone rival Antonio Banderas in performing a dangerous task? The answer is D. Assassins. What type of orbitals do electrons in successive atoms on the periodic table tend to fill first? The answer is D. Low energy. Which movie is about a young boy who can communicate with whales? The answer is D. Free Willy. How many chambers does the stomach of a ruminant have? The answer is C. 4. Which items are needed to create a simple circuit? The answer is B. Wire and battery. What are the two classifications for organisms living in water?